So on this mesh, I can see that I have a small inconsistency on the surface here, this discoloration that's happening. And if we select it and tab into edit mode and look at these faces, we can see that they're sort of overlapping and bent a little bit. Now, if we go into vertex mode, we can kind of see that these vertices are sort of on the wrong side of each other. We can deal with this a few different ways. I could quite simply just grab one of these vertices by pushing G on my keyboard and just move it. I was at a weird angle when I did that, and as a result, it moved on multiple axes. So I might Control Z and undo that if I'm trying to be more precise and maybe try to get a straight on view of it. And then if I move it, maybe I just move it on a specific axis. So maybe I can do a G and an X and move it over and get a little more precision in how I move it. Now it's still sticking out in space a little bit, so I could also do a grab and move it on Y a bit and just kind of incrementally slide it in until it gets about where it needs to be. Or, knowing that I might remesh this later or might make changes to the geometry anyway, it may well be that I just simply grab these vertices by box selecting, push M, and merge at center. But either way, if I tab back out, we can see that the inconsistency on the surface of the mesh is gone.